We did our project on the hammerhead sharks, in particular the great hammerhead shark. Over the next few minutes, we will discuss ways that we can preserve this animal from extinction. The great hammerhead shark is one of 9 hammerhead shark species. This species is the largest of all the hammerhead sharks. At max growth, it can be as long as 6.1 meters. You've probably seen this animal before, being the most recognizable hammerhead shark with its straightforward forehead that curves at the sides. This animal is found mostly in tropical and subtropical waters in depths of 1 to 300 meters. The varying depths the animal is found in can contribute to their demise. In terms of demographics, they are heavily populated in South America, which is one of the places where their numbers are being found to decline the most. They can also be found around coral reefs. Since they can be located in lower depths, fishermen have been able to catch them more easily. Currently, the shark is listed as an endangered species. On the scale of extinction categories, this is right in the middle of the no concern group to the extinct group. Obviously, this is a concern considering the number of great hammerhead sharks is unknown. There may be hundreds or thousands left, simply nobody knows, although it is believed that 80% of them have been lost. These are alarming numbers that need to be taken seriously. The primary cause of the decreasing numbers is due to overfishing. Most sharks are fished for meat, but others are simply fished for their fins for shark fin soup. Unfortunately, these sharks are just thrown back into the water, left to die, causing more deaths to go up. Another factor to be thought of is ocean pollution, but in reality, it isn't really a major factor. The oceans they swim in are clean, and for the most part, because of the flourishing life in coral reefs. With heavy pollution, coral reefs would die off, causing an even greater number in shark extinction rates. Also, there is no disease surrounding their demise, therefore this is not an invasive issue, as researchers have discovered. The most reasonable way to cut down on their deaths is to make shark fishing illegal, but just like trying to ban most things, it has been denied time out, and time again. Here's a more in-depth look at the solutions that are being tried and proposed around the world to eliminate this crisis and to keep the number of great hammerhead sharks on the steady up curve.
Thank you, Sean. Most species of hammerhead shark are seeing population decreases throughout recent years. Like Sean said, many of these decreases are due to shark finning, the process of cutting off a shark's fin in order to be sold for shark fin soup. Shark fin soup is a very popular dish in Chinese culture, and fishermen can make a pretty penny by hauling in enough fins. After a shark is finned, it is thrown back into the ocean where it slowly bleeds to death while being unable to swim. The declining population of sharks has a huge effect on the ecosystem, which will eventually hurt humans in the long run. Around the world, certain countries are working to save sharks. The first and most important step to saving an animal is listing it as threatened or endangered. This brings attention to the animal and can start an effort for its rescue. The great hammerhead shark is listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List of threatened species. So far, no known great hammerhead-specific conservation efforts have been put forth. Many countries are setting regulations and bans on shark finning and fishing, which should increasingly help hammerhead shark populations. I believe more data should be gathered on the great hammerhead shark in order to learn more about it. Tracking its movements and habits can help us learn about any other factors that can be contributing to its endangerment. The great hammerhead shark is a majestic, beautiful creature, and it would be quite a tragedy if it were to go extinct.